Now students, move to the question number 2. Here is question number 2. If you were one of Lakshmi's children, which picture would you have liked to have on your dress? Which picture do you like to have on your dress? Can you tell me? Yes, you have to give the answer of this question. This is homework for you. You have to give the answer of this question. You have to give the answer of this question by yourself. Okay? So let's move to the question number 3 now. So here is the question number 3. You can see. Find the names of at least 5 medals brave persons received from the government of India. Let's move to the answer. Here is the answer. Paramveer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, PARAM Param, VEER Veer, CHAKRA Chakra, Paramveer Chakra, Ashok Chakra, ASHOK Ashok, CHAKRA Ashok Chakra, awarded to armed forces. Now to Navy, Sena Medal to Army, Vayu Sena Medal to Air Force. Here is question number 4. Do you think Lakshmi was honest? Give a reason to support your answer. Let's move to the answer. Here is the answer. Lakshmi was honest because she asked all her neighbors about the sari that flew down into her lap. She asked to all her neighbors about that sari. That's why she was honest. Let's move to the next exercise, which is reference to contest. Read this sentence and answer the questions that follows. Next week I'm going to get a medal. This is the sentence. 4 questions are given. Regarding this sentence, you have to give the answer from this sentence, about this sentence. First one is, who said this and to whom? Let me tell you the answer now. Here is the answer. This was said by the policeman to Anu and her granny. This was said by the policeman to Anu and her granny. Let's move to the B. Why was I going to get a medal? Why was I going to get a medal? I. Here you can see the answer. The policeman had caught a robber who had stolen things from the jewelry shop. That's why I going to get a medal. C. Who, what or who had helped I to get a medal? Granny Sari had helped the policeman to get a medal. Next is, what happens next? Here's the answer. The policeman told Anu and her granny that the sari had flown away. So they continued searching it. This happened after that sentence. Let's move to the next exercise, which is HOTS question. Higher degree, higher order thinking skills questions. Question is, was Granny sad that her sari had been cut up to make clothes for Lakshmi's children? Why or why not? Can you tell me the answer? Yes. Here is the answer. No, Granny was not sad because the clothes made from her sari made a poor family happy. Very good. You have to write each and every answer very neatly and cleanly in your notebook. Now let's move to the assignments. Here is today's assignment for you all. First one is, write all the question and answers in your notebook which we have written in very beautiful handwriting. You have to write all the question and answers in your notebook in very beautiful handwriting. Second is, make sentences of the words from word meanings which we have written by yourself. You have to make sentence of the word meanings which we have written by yourself. You have to make. Okay, next is, learn all the words from word meaning section, page number 21 for dictation. You have to learn all the word meanings, all the words from word meaning section from page number 21. You can see, let me show you page number 21 first. Here is page number 21. You can see page number 21. You have to learn all the spellings of these words. pronunciate it properly and learn the spelling of these words properly for dictation. You have to learn it for dictation. Page number 21. Okay. Next is fourth one is write 2 pages of your cursive handwriting book in proper cursive stroke. You have to write in proper cursive handwriting, in beautiful handwriting with proper cursive strokes. Don't forget that. Next is complete answer of think and answer question number 2. I've given you question number 2 of think and answer and question number 2 of read and answer by yourself. You have to give the answer of both questions by yourself. You have to complete those answers by yourself. Next one is complete listen exercise by yourself on page number 27. Let me show you page number 27 first. Here is page number 27. You have to complete this exercise. Listen. You can take help from page number 156 and complete this exercise. I think it's for coloring. You have to color it properly. These all are your assignment for today. Complete these assignments in 2 days. And that's all for today's class. Till then, bye-bye.